What is up? What is up? We're gonna make this its own little video. Today is just gonna be a video in one, so get ready to enjoy the ride. I mean, look at those 4-foot high mounds of snow. I got clients I can't even get to their house because the plows haven't hit the side streets and I just can't get onto them. I got my 4 high on, and that was able to get me through some side roads where the snow's of like 10 inches to 13 inches tall, and that helped me get out, but sometimes I just can't get in. But stay tuned, we're going to do our best out here to stay safe, stay warm, get the job done, make that money. If you see it on YouTube, well, I survived the day. Alright, let's get to it. Big shout out and thank you to my city snowplow drivers. You guys are awesome. That one back road, we'll get into the work here soon, don't worry, but just got to give you guys a little fill-in on what's going on. So my helper is at Walmart, so I'm going there to pick him up, and then we're going to start with my client's fourplex, that's right behind Walmart, and then we're going to jump into all the people that kind of live over there, and then we're going to start stretching from the south end of town to the north end. If you see a truck out today without a plow or snow blower, well, they're just out to be out, I don't know. All the kids within like a 45-mile radius definitely have a snow day today. Lots of snowmen being built. I'm hoping my son builds an igloo and a snowman for me to see when I get home. Gonna give him some room, but look at this guy out here biking away. God, those trees are pretty. Now, I know these guys have about 15 plow trucks. I don't know what they do in the summer, but Ghostbusters, they're out here in the winter for sure, doing big parking lots like Walmart and Sam's Club. Alright, well, we got the fourplex done, and it's still snowing. And what up, guys? Still snowing, and it's gonna snow all night, so we'll be back here tomorrow anyways. Holy moly, there's Michael putting her shovel back. There was a lady stuck in this cul-de-sac in all this deep snow, and we got her unstuck. She's on her way to the hospital. She's got a shift to cover. Alright, see y'all after this driveway gets done. You know what it is. 10 inches gone. Probably 6 more tonight. Who knows? At Walmart, just letting my helper Michael pick up a few things before I drop him off at home. We got 8 properties done so far, and a bunch more to go. It's getting dark. No bueno. Just backdrawed our whole driveway at once, basically. He has a business, a giant parking lot for semi-trailers and everything, so yeah, it's nice that he has a plow. But I got home just to change into some dry clothes to keep on going, and I saw the wall, and I was like, hey, what's your dad up to? Any chance he could drive over 5 minutes and help us out? Because, nice, now he's going to do my side yard for me. Oh, I'm blessed. What up, guys? Sorry it's dark. Got the old trusty headlamp on. Clients all the way due straight ahead across that street. There's just, it's so busy you can't park there, so I got to park way back here. I'm going to be real with you. From the last property to here, the radio said another 7 inches tomorrow, and I had myself a little 5-minute breakdown because it's tough out here. Today wasn't bad enough. Client had a rug in his driveway under 10 inches of snow, and now it's stuck in my auger, and I've been fighting it for 20 minutes, and I do not want to be here anymore. Well, once again, we are here. Cleaned out came back at 10:30 last night and cleaned out the bottom of the driveway so they go to work, but as you can tell, I still got to clean out in front of the mailbox, so, well, it ain't gonna remove itself. Let's get to it, huh? Alright, well, we're out of there. Whew. Digging out that mailbox. Golly, them cul-de-sacs are rough. Yeah, last night when I was tearing that rug out of the snowblower, I scraped up my finger pretty good. Client gave me a band-aid. That was nice of him. Living in a winter wonderland. So back here, like usual, this is one of my favorite clients, but yesterday I was in here, I was parked right against the curb back there, and a snowplow came through and put me behind a 3.5-foot wall, so that sucked. I had to get out of there. So these clients are in wheelchairs, so I brush off their car, and I move it back, and then I clear the area where the car is, and I park the car back so the ramp can hit the front porch. I could cry right now, man. Just so thankful that my father-in-law could come by with the plow and just, I had a fourplex that I collapsed at the property before, so I had no choice but to call. And it's snowing again. We're gonna get more inches tonight, and all these driveways were blocked off. I had a fourplex. All the mailbox and driveways were blocked off by like 4 feet of snow out from the mailbox, 3.5 feet tall, and sheesh, this would not be possible without his help. And he came here to my last property and just pushed it all up, and now I'm just going to brush off their car and hit the stairs, and I'll just come back tomorrow and do the sidewalk since it's snowing again. Alright guys, well, it's probably going to be the end of this video. It's been a really trying 2 days, I'm not going to lie. Never really doubted my capabilities to run a business until this snowstorm, because I just don't have the equipment for it. I have to get a nicer snowblower, no ifs and buts about it. And I might even have to get a plow eventually, I don't know, because I can't rely on my father-in-law every single time, but just so thankful. So unlimited thank yous to him. Thank you guys for rocking with me. Good morning, YouTube. Day 3, got another 2 to 3 inches of powder to go clear. And take powder any day over that wet stuff. The roads are already cleared. They had the snow plows going out, one in the left lane ahead of the guy in the right lane, and the left lane kicks it off to the right lane, and the right lane plow kicks it off to the side of the road. Roads are looking good. Side roads are still miserable, but yeah, let's get out here for day 3 and make some more money. But first, quick trip. Back at it again as always, but gotta get some energy sources. I got my Powerades, got some chips. Grab some else. Oh yeah, I got a sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich there to eat after this property. So yeah, gonna get some fuel in my body because I haven't really eaten anything in over 2 days. I've just been too hot and worked up and tired to eat. So these chips are really hitting the spot right now. Ugh. Yikes. Fun fact, Wisconsin ranked 2nd for Christmas spirit. The first state is New Hampshire. Alright guys, well, we're home. Definitely a long day. Sorry I don't have more footage and whatnot, but day did not go as planned. Already in talks with my father and see if he can help me get a stronger snowblower. Mine's only a 223cc, and last year it did 11 inches of powder, no problem. Well, 10 inches of wet is a lot different than 11 inches of powder, so I was slipping belts all day and whatnot, and not having a grand old time or anything, so see if we can fix that with a stronger snowblower. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Cheers to more bids and biz, and as always, have a great day.